Right, again the light's sorted out now. Got the flashing beacon. Seems to be working fine. So probably haven't been working for some time. Now got the lights at the back. Rear tail lights. The side lights working. The indicators. They seem to be working fine. You put in the headlights in this position, up there. The headlights will go there. Use as work lights, there will be one on the back, two on the front. So the other side, the switch is there, toggle switch. For the other side, so it's getting there slowly. So I'm quite pleased with that. So it's just the horn to sort out, 3 work lights to fit, and that would be it basically for the electrical side of it, because it's charging fine and everything else is working good on it. But tomorrow's job is working on the brakes to get them sorted out. So here's till next time.